Good day sir, we are the group 2 and yung continents po na na-assign po sa amin is Asia. So bali po natin sa dalawang grupo yung Asia at ang mga bansa po na-assign po sa amin ay Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Brunei, Cambodia, China, Cyprus, Georgia, India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Lebanon, and Malaysia. So, yung form of governments po ay ang nakapaloob po sa democracy ay Armenia. So, ito ay parliamentary democracy. So, yung Bangladesh ay ganun din, parliamentary democracy. So, yung pangatlo po ay Bhutan, constitutional monarchy with democratic elections. So, pangapat po is yung Cambodia. Technically, a constitutional monarchy with elections but considered authoritarian, not fully democratic. So, panlima po is yung Cyprus. Parliamentary democracy rin po siya. At yung India po ay Federal Parliamentary Democratic Republic. So, yung Indonesia po ay presidential democracy. Israel ay parliamentary democracy rin. Ang Japan po ay constitutional monarchy with parliamentary democracy. So yung Lebanon po ay parliamentary democracy with confessional power sharing system. So yung Malaysia po ay constitutional monarchy with parliamentary democracy. So yun po yung mga country na ang kanilang forms of government po ay democracy. So pangalawang form of government po ay ang republic. So nakapalo po dito, una ay ang Armenia. So, ito po siya ay parliamentary republic, democratic republic where citizens elect parliament which selects the prime minister. Pangalawa naman po ay ang Azerbaijan. Presidential republic has a president as head of state but functions as an authoritarian regime with limited freedoms. So pangatlo po is yung Bangladesh. Parliamentary republic has elections and a parliament but democracy is weakened by political suppressions. So, pangapat po is yung China. One-party socialist republic, a republic in name but controlled by the Communist Party authoritarian regime. So, panglima po is yung Cyprus, presidential republic, a democratic republic where citizens elect a president who serves as both head of state and government. So next po